Okay. So good evening, everyone. So today I'm presenting about the biotic components of ecosystem. So yeah. So firstly, we talk about the biotic components. The biotic component is a part of the total environment created by living, interacting, and organisms. And when moved to the ecosystem, the biologically community together with the abiotic environment characterized by the flow of energy and the cycling of inorganic nutrients. When it comes to the living components, basically the producers, the sun, which is primary source of energy, gives to the plants to produce food through photosynthesis. Plant use the sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and the green pigment chlorophyll in their leaves to produce sugar and oxygen. These plants uh, produce food through photosynthesis are called producers. They are autotrophic organisms because they can manufacture their own food. Coming to consumers, animals are consumers because they are directly or indirectly independent on food produced by producers. Plants they consume these foods, and consumers therefore they have a heterotrophic feeding method. They cannot make their own food and they are dependent on producers of nutrition. Coming to decomposers, uh, decomposers are microorganisms that break down complex organic matter into simple organic matter. They obtain their energy for decaying animals and plants. They are heterotrophic animals. We refer to them as saprophytic organisms. They include fungi and bacteria. Coming to their food chains, the interactions of the autotrophic and heterotrophic components in which one organism consumes another is called a food chain. In a food chain, there is a continuous flow energy from the sun through the plants to the various animals, consumer. This is a exemplary picture of the food chain. So basically, there will be a trophic level grassland, pond biome, and ocean biome. You can clearly see that primary producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and quaternary. So this is how the pictorial representation of this. And coming to the food web, it consists of various food chains that interact with one another, therefore interacting of energy flow within an ecosystem. So this is the pictorial representation that how basically the chain consists. So thank you for the opportunity.